3, 2, 1. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of the Brandon Experience. My name is Brandon, your certified hair loss specialist, beauty educator, and all that other good stuff that I say before I start my videos. On today's episode, I am going to be bringing you all an unboxing / review of something I've been waiting to try for a very, very long time. And that is Cynthia Lumzy's Main Candy line. The Main Candy line is something that she created. It's like her new product love child. I think she's up to like 10 products right now. She's absolutely killing it. If you all don't follow her yet on Instagram, check her out because she's like seriously incredible. So anyway, I decided to drop a little comment on one of her new product reveals, which is the Firm Fluff. And she sent me a DM. I was like, she just DM'd me, what? And she asked me for my address and sent me a product, which I was super excited about / still am very excited about. So today I wanted to show you all using that product in a natural hair routine on my own curls, as well as if this product is beneficial for those that wear wigs, extensions, and all of the like. All right, so first up, let's talk about the shampoo and conditioner in this line. This is the Tutti Frutti Replenishing Shampoo and the Ooey Gooey Express Conditioner. The names are super fun. It literally just made me laugh just taking a look at the products. The back of the products look like nutrition facts, which is super cool, but it like caters to each of the products. So for the shampoo, it says it rinses easily, smoothing properties, enrich, restores shine, softness. It also mentions on the side, it's cruelty-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. So if you're worried about any of those things, this line takes care of it. But this is just a super fun line. It smells really, really good. I noticed that it lathers up extremely well and it's sulfate-free, so that's a great quality to have. Next is the Express Conditioner. So this is the Ooey Gooey Express Conditioner. This also smells super good. This whole line smells incredible. I can imagine using this on extensions or units that you are sending out if you are a supplier, and then they open the box and it just smells like heaven. This is a lighter conditioner. I didn't feel like it was too heavy. I think it would work really, really well on extensions, especially if you start at those ends and then work your way up. On natural hair, I think I like it, but I don't know if this is like my #1 go-to. But I really don't believe this line was created for natural hair. I'm sure it could be used for it, but I think it was created with extensions and wigs in mind, which Cynthia is known for. The next product I wanted to show you all is called Sugar Rush. It is a hair sanitizer. It's a disinfectant for hair, and it just smells really clean. This is created to disinfect like when you get hair in, and we know sometimes our hair can come from questionable and unscrupulous places, and we want to give it a good clean. This is what this is designed for. From what I know, this is the first hair sanitizer on the market, so I think that's really cool. But what I thought was really interesting is that this can actually be used for braids, so it relieves the tightness and helps to disinfect the scalp. A lot of times bacteria and various things are what causes that like itchiness, and then that's what the Sugar Rush is designed to remedy. The next product is the Drizzle Drops. This is a cuticle mender. So this is going to be like your serum that adds moisture. It gives you that like silkiness if you're like undoing your curls. It's going to block humidity for the future, and this is also a heat protectant. So this product can be used before and after blow drying or styling with an iron. And I got a chance to use the Drizzle Drops in salon, and I really like them. I think that it's a really good serum for extensions. It has like a little bit of a grip to it almost, so you can imagine it would do a great job if you're trying to relax some curls and you're using your hands, or maybe you just wanted to smooth some flyaways out. It's good stuff. I'm not going to waste it. It smells really good like the rest of the line, so I think this is an excellent polisher and finisher. I think I got it on my lip. So these are the Drizzle Drops, the cuticle mender. Next up is the Sweetest 2-in-1. It's a 26-in-1 leave-in mask. So this is your leave-in conditioner. It also has properties for replenishing hydration, giving you a nice glossy smooth finish. It enhances body, volume, and shine. So this is a good product to use after shampooing and conditioning. You all know I'm not a huge fan of leave-in conditioners. However, if it serves a purpose, like if I'm using it for a little extra boost of moisture, or if I'm using it for frizz fighting or detangling, then it serves a purpose, but I'm not using this in place of my traditional conditioner. And what's really cool about the sweetest one is I love this sprayer. This is that type of sprayer that you can turn on and off, so it has like this swivel around, so if you have kids or you're traveling or something like that and you want to keep it sealed up, you can take this and still nourish on the go. And then last but not least, the product that was sent to me, this is Firm Fluff, and Fast Fluff is what I had before. So why two foams in one line? Well, they're both styling foams, but one of them dries quick and the other one dries quick and gives a firm hold. So you get two different types of a product. Like, I don't think I know any lines currently that have two varying foams that do the same thing. We usually use Nairobi, and that's like our holy grail and go-to, and I like Nairobi a lot, but it's really nice to be able to control. Some clients or some hairstyles don't need a firm hold always, so maybe you could use this like on the top section of hair, and then if you need a little more control on the shorter hair, then you would use something like Firm Fluff. Today I used Firm Fluff in my hair. I think that it did a really, really good job. I mean, look at my hair. This is me. Curls are popping. I have been looking for something that gives not quite that like really hard, crunchy gel hold. For some days, like, I don't really want that. Like, it looks really good, but sometimes I like a softer look where I can touch my hair and it just kind of does its own thing. This has remedied that for me. So I tried the Fast Fluff first, and it wasn't quite enough hold, but then I tried this Firm Fluff, and I think that it was like literally the perfect product. So if you have curly hair and you're looking for a way to maintain it, or maybe a curly hair unit, actually, you know what? I have a unit I'm gonna show you all. Okay, so here is one of my curly units. Well, here's the new Firm Fluff. So I'm going to take the Firm Fluff, put it in my hand, and show you all how you can use it to smooth out frizz instantly. And I promise you, as this dries, it's going to stay just like that really cool, pretty, shiny, wavy texture is going to stay. Or let's say your ends have gotten a little, I don't know, frizzy, a little crunchy. Get you a little bit of the Fast Fluff and put it on the ends. Boom, just like that. Does a great job of restoring that curl pattern and minimizing the frizz in your unit. So really, really cool. So this is the main candy line from Cynthia Lumzy. I think there are a couple other products in the line, so I look forward to checking those out. But if you are going to use a line for your extensions and wigs, I'm very pleased with the results that I've gotten from this line. If you're looking for something for natural hair or relaxed hair, I think there's some genuine winners in this line. Check out the main candy line. It's available on her website. Her name is Cynthia Lumzy. I will put all of the social media tags in here. She's absolutely incredible. If you want to see some like crazy creations and transformations of units, full lace, frontal, she literally can do everything. It's incredible. I want to grow up to be like her. So thank you so much, Cynthia, for sending me this product so that I could try it out, in addition to all the other great things in your line. So that is all for our video today. I hope you all have enjoyed. If you have any questions about the line, what you all think, drop them in the comments below. So you all notice I am on a new set today. This is my office, and I hope that this will be my future place where I can like give you all content on a super regular basis, because I'm just gonna leave this set up, I promise. I just don't wanna touch it. I wanna be able to sit down and just start recording. I have a really cool interview coming for you all that totally explains and breaks down my transition into being a certified hair loss specialist. So be on the lookout for that. I'm so pumped about this video. I had a really good friend of mine that is the videographer extraordinaire and editor take care of this video for me. So it's gonna look totally different from what you all are used to, but the branding experience is ever progressive, and we are trying to continue to move forward. So until our next video, I will see you all. Stay safe. Where are you gonna be? Same place, same time, same channel. All right, peace.